Did you know one of the biggest mistakes new entrepreneurs make has nothing to do with finding customers? It's not filing their business taxes, and waiting too long can cost you money, create unnecessary stress, and even hurt your chances of getting funding in the future. Hi everyone. Today, I want to share why filing your business taxes in your first year is one of the most important things you can do. Many new business owners think, I didn't make much money, so I don't need to file. But depending on your business structure, you may still have filing requirements even if your business didn't earn a profit. Ignoring those responsibilities can lead to penalties, interest, missed tax deductions, and challenges when applying for business loans, grants, or other funding opportunities. Here are 3 simple tips to stay on track. First, separate your personal and business finances. A dedicated business bank account makes tracking income and expenses much easier. Second, keep good records. Save your receipts and document every business expense throughout the year. Third, don't wait until tax season. Staying organized year-round can save you time, money, and a lot of frustration. Remember, building a successful business isn't just about making sales. It's about managing your business responsibly from day one. If you found this helpful, like this video, subscribe for more practical business tips, and let me know in the comments. What's one lesson you've learned as a business owner?